What's up, everybody? It's Alex from Wallace and Real Estate Investments with Harrison Bonner, and we're at 19 Suffolk Street. This week, we are installation our insulation.
Installation of insulation?
That's right, baby.
Say that 5 times fast.
No way. I sound stupid on camera. So what are we doing?
We have 2 types of insulation that we're installing here in this building. We're here on day 1, starting with our Roxol insulation, which is this fiberglass insulation behind me.
And what does Roxol do?
Great question, Alex. It actually serves as 2 purposes. It gives us protection against fire spread. So it is the fire-rated insulation for the building code.
Good.
As well as reduces sound transmission. So we use it between the units for both fire protection and sound transmission to meet building code requirements between units.
Okay.
And then we use it on bedrooms, bathrooms, mechanical rooms to reduce that sound transmission.
For private time.
Exactly. Yes. So that's going in today. That'll be wrapped up today, and then we'll have a spray foam combination of open and closed cell spray foam where needed in the exterior walls and roofing in the basement.
You think the boys will let us put on swimsuits and spray the guns tomorrow?
Probably not, and you can have at it if they'll let you. That would be hilarious.
Okay, we're gonna try that. Fingers crossed. If you don't see it in the video, they told me no. And now
It's a liability risk.
Yeah, well, that's what we have insurance for, so that's what life's fun. And over at Georgia Street, we're gonna go over there next because they are moving dirt around.
Yeah, they got some backfilling going on. We wrapped up our foundation last week, so forms are stripped, foundation's done. Starting to backfill and finish up that site so that we can start to go up.
So cool. Awesome. All right, let's check out Georgia Street. All right, and we're back at Georgia Street with a lot of cool things happening.
Big boys play with big toys. I've been wanting to say that all day.
Weirdo.
We're
we're moving dirt, right?
moving dirt, doing our backfilling. Our forms were stripped last week, so yeah, doing all our backfilling around and inside the foundation for our slab on grade, getting our roof leaders in, and our storm water retention
system. That's
system.
those big cylinders,
Yeah.
right? So what do they do?
Basically, all the rainwater that's collected on site goes down into those dry wells so that it's not dispersed across the...
Well, when you work in a city, you know, we're not working in the burbs.
Still rolling.
Still rolling.
Yeah, all the storm water on site collects down in these dry wells, gets dispersed back in the ground, instead of spewing the rainwater out to the street.
They just don't do gutters anymore.
No. Yeah, you can't just have a gutter and a drain and just shoot it out into your yard.
2021, baby. Building code.
So.
Nice. So when, after this is all done, when do you think we'll start the next framing component?
About a week, I'd say. 2 weeks maybe. Yeah, we've got some steel. So, you know, we have 2 buildings, so we'll be going back and forth with, you know, a couple different tradesmen sequencing the building as it goes up. But yeah, about 2 weeks.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, thanks everybody for checking in on Suffolk and Georgia Street. Please like, share, comment, share it with your mother, your lover, your brother. Ciao.